So how to check account login device in your Instagram? So I will give you two solutions for mobile and PC. And first of all, go to your profile, and top right corner you can see the option. Press on option, and then you can see the all setting. You have to press on setting and privacy, and then you can see the account center. You have to press on account center, and then you can see the password and security. You have to press on password and security, and then while you are login you have to press on this option, and then you can if your Facebook is connected, then you can see those options. So I want to check my Instagram. So that's it. This is this device, and those are other device. So if you want to log out from other device, just select device. Suppose I want to select this device and press on logout. Press on logout, and your device will be gone. You have been successfully logged out from iPhone 11. And for mobile version, so let's check. And this is how you can easily log out from other device. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.